Hey y'all, let's make my favorite go-to snack. It's really simple and easy. Boom, half an avocado on a plate, sprinkle some lemon pepper on that, John. The lemon pepper stops the oxidation of the avocado, so you don't have to worry about it turning all icky and brown if you eat slower like I do. But this is so delicious. It's one of my favorites. Tell me what your favorite snack is, and if you like or love this video, please give it a like or heart wherever you're watching it. Follow me for more recipes on my weight loss journey. Bye!